Hey, we back. Oh shit, we back. So, hi everyone. It's Jasmine, aka Jazzie Nails. No nails today, but I just wanted to get on here and say hi and tell you guys, what the fuck? I look a little crazy. What the fuck I've been doing, like where I've been, why I've been MIA, because I was just gonna post a video and act like I ain't been gone for months, but I thought, if I was subscribed to somebody and they were able to tell me, what's been going on, I would want to know, I'm a little nosy, so I just thought, I'd get on here and tell you guys where I've been and what's going on with the business. So first and foremost, I went back. I really don't look at my videos because I don't like the sound of my voice. So I don't really rewatch my videos, but something told me to go back and watch my last video where I was on camera, and girl, oh my God, I can't believe I posted that. I look like I need a fucking hug. I look so sad and stressed out. And I was, honestly, I really was just stressed out beyond belief. It was all over my face. Like, I'm very transparent. I can't hide anything. It's the face for me. It's the face that gives everything away. Like, if I'm upset, if I'm mad, if I'm happy, it's just, I'm not really good at hiding my emotions. So, that video, it was very obvious that, whatever, y'all, my hair is just doing its own thing. So whatever. But it was real obvious that something was just not good. There was, some shit was going down in the behind the scenes. And, it definitely was. First, I just want to talk about Wholesale. Wholesale kicks my ass, okay? When it comes to my business, I feel like I spend more time focused on wholesale, which is other people's businesses, then I'm focused on my business. And it's just at a point where I'm not happy doing it anymore because it's not my designs. It's not designs that, excite me. It's just like, no offense, not trying to come at y'all. I'm just saying, not everybody, but it's just like, I want to do designs that I want to do. I want to do the designs that make me happy and excite me. And wholesale is just not doing it for me anymore. So here's what we're going to do. I know I already said that wholesale is going to be limited, and that's still true. But one more thing that I am doing is I'm changing wholesale. So no longer will you be able to send in any design that you want. It's only going to be the designs that are on my website. Period. I'm sorry, but my shit fire as fuck. So it's all right. And if we're being honest, a lot of my wholesale orders do include a lot of my designs anyway. But yeah, so that's just what I need to do to make me happy. So I'm sorry if that upsets you. Sound off in the comment, but keep it cute or keep it mute, because I'll delete you and block you if you do some crazy shit on my comments, okay? But that's just what we're gonna have to do, because this is my business. And if something doesn't make you happy in your business or your life, remove it, change it, do what makes you happy. So focusing more on my regular orders, my designs, that's going to make me happy. And that's going to make my customers happy, because wholesale is so much. And I don't know if you guys know this, but I am the team. I am the brand. I am everything. I do everything myself. Nobody helps me with anything. Every single nail that comes out, I have done myself 100%. And that's a lot. That's a whole lot. And it's just, I want to make myself happy. That's what's going to make me happy. So yeah. Another thing that was really like reading all over my face is I do have anxiety issues. Like, if something's bothering me, it's really hard for me to think about anything else, really. So this is a safe place for people with anxiety, hi, I am your person. I'm your people. We peoples, okay? I get you. So, yeah, me and my husband were not doing good. I've been with my husband for 9 years. We've been married for 3. But yeah, we hit a little rough spot, and it was not a happy, peaceful environment. Like, But we have gotten a million times better, and this is not sponsored or anything, but if you guys want to talk to a therapist, if you don't want to, go out and find one, if you just want to, if you feel more comfortable doing it on the phone or video chatting with them, then I highly recommend betterhealth.com. And if you're looking for couples counseling, regain.org, or just type in Regain Couples Counseling. I'm not exactly sure. But yeah, those 2 things have definitely helped us out a lot. So we are a million times better than what we were. And the biggest thing that really was keeping me from making YouTube videos was July 28th. My husband was in a near fatal car accident. I'm going to put the picture here. Yeah, you know what? We not gonna do that. Because for one, I'm not trying to fuck up with YouTube. I'm not trying to get my page and my channel, stricken or whatever. And I'm not trying to mess up y'all's day. So, if you really would like more details about the accident and my husband, you can check out this. I'll leave the link in the description box. And I'm not trying to mess up the lawsuit, so I might have been saying a little bit too much. So yeah, we're just gonna skip right on over this. But yeah, he was in the hospital in Tennessee for about a month, and then he came back, and that's when I turned into a 24-hour nurse. So like every 2 hours, I would have to get up and give him his medicine, help him out with whatever he needed, change his bandages, like cleaning them and all that shit. I feel like I'm a caregiver at this point. I need to be getting paid, okay? But lawsuit, whatever. So yeah, YouTube was not something that I could even think about doing because I just didn't have time. I had no time. But now my husband's at therapy right now. My 4-year-old's at school, and my 2-year-old is with her grandparents. So today we got time. We got time today. Hi, I got time to talk to y'all and tell you what's been going on. But I already did. That's pretty much what's been going on. Wholesale's been kicking my ass. Life has been kicking my ass. But at least we are all still alive. We have all made it to another day. I'm just excited. I'm just excited to be back doing this YouTube thing because I got videos. I broke my flash drive last night. But, I still got videos lined up, scheduled to come out. So thank you so much for sticking around. Hello to all my new subscribers. If you're not a subscriber, go ahead and click the subscribe button. Like this video, share if you care. And I will see you guys in the next video. And bye. I haven't said that in so long. We back! I'm done. Goodbye, y'all. Bye.